Hey guys, my name is Easy Glaze, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take out hot oil from a Lil Orbits donut machine. First, you want to make sure you take off your motor parts. The hopper motor, pump motor, and servo motor. Once you have that off, then you'll remove the conveyor belt. You're going to want to have some like microfiber towels, something there to lay the conveyor belt on. You might want to have heat resistant gloves. I'm a bit of an expert, so I don't use gloves no more. But try to use some heat resistant gloves. Okay, Lil Orbits. You could purchase this drainer from Lil Orbits. Forgot how much it is, roughly about $100 or so. But this is very important. You definitely want to have this drainer. Lil Orbits also have an oil can that they can sell you. It's like square with a deep hole to drain the oil in, and I'm not a fan of it at all. This is what I use. Army style gas tank filler, if you will. I get the green can and you want to label it oil so people know what it is. Easy to use, nice handle on top, and you can lock in the oil for freshness. So now that I have my microfiber towel set on the table, we're going to pick up this conveyor belt and you want to lift up with your right hand going towards the left slowly to drain the oil from the conveyor belt back into the donut barrel. You don't want to lift too high because the plates can then slip and even the wheel right here, I don't know if you can see my finger, the wheel there could come out. So try to be nice and gentle. All right. Almost there. All right, now that you got all of your oil drained, you can lay that here. Now all that oil is back in the donut machine barrel. Now all that's left to do is to drain it. If your tabletop is a bit high, use something on the floor as leverage to put your can on. Just like that, and it'll be more at height for the machine and your pump. You're going to slip the end part of your oil drain siphoner into the can here. The top part you want to put in the donut machine right at the beginning of the donut machine there, and you want it to be right in the corner so we can siphon all that oil up. Give the oil siphoner a couple pumps, maybe 3, might be a little stiff. 1, 2, 3. And that oil is going to start to flow down. On this side here, you're going to want to lift with your hand so all that oil could drain. There it goes, draining. Almost there. that's it. All you need to do is take out your siphon oil pump and put the conveyor belt back in. Okay, I'm gonna grab my conveyor belt first, and I'm gonna lay that right here. And then from here, maybe have a paper towel handy, something handy. And when you take this siphon pump out, you can wipe it off so you're not dripping everywhere. Okay. And then I can lay that, whoops. Careful with that handle, you see that? Screws. Careful. I'll lay that on the microfiber towel. Conveyor belt can go fully in. And when it's fully cooled down, that's when you can give it a nice cleaning. Right now, I just give it a quick wipe down. And that's about it. Make sure you close your oil can. You do not want to mess. And that's a wrap. If you have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mini donut videos.